Hey everyone, it's Capri. So today we are going to be reviewing Janet Collection's Supermoon in the color Honey Blonde. She has 2 combs in the front as well as in the back and adjustable straps. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is Miss Supermoon in the color Honey Blonde. She's giving me super loose waves right now and I love the color. I didn't do anything to this wig as of yet. I do need to put a little powder in the part or whatever. So right now I'm just gonna comb her out really quick with my brush just because I want some fullness. It's just really flat. I don't know if y'all can see, like it's super flat. It's really long. I just want to break up those factory curls that it has. So yeah, it's already looking a lot better. Yeah, this is looking a lot better. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna do it on camera. Go ahead and put some of my powder into the parting space, and she kind of sliding back some, but I'm gonna go get me a mirror and fix it up. And she has a nice deep part too. It goes like about to right here. I'm just gonna go fix my little curly baby hairs and like pull it forward. I think that'll be fine if I just do my own baby hairs. And I'll be right back to discuss this wig, y'all. Okay, so now what I'm doing is just taking some from both sides and I'm just going to kind of trim them downward because I want some length to them. I want like some like a layered effect. Let me go ahead and turn around for you guys so that y'all can see all of her. And she is tailbone length on me and I'm 5'2". I hope y'all can see all of it. Yeah, I think y'all can. You just get lace in the parting area and that's pretty much it, which I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. So yeah, the combs are right here near the part, so that's pretty good if you don't want your part moving around. This is from sogoodbb.com. Make sure that you guys check down below in my description box to get this wig. She's cute, she's fun, very flirty. I really love it. She is long, so of course she's going to tangle. She does shed, but I mean, what wig doesn't these days? Normal cap construction. It has a softer lace. It's not hard and scratchy. I do believe that it is, well, I have it adjusted in the back, but I feel like any size head can actually fit this wig. If your head's bigger than mine, you won't have to adjust the straps. So I do think that it is pretty big head friendly. It's average size head friendly, small head friendly. You know what I'm getting at. So yes, let me know what you guys think about Miss Supermoon down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that bell, ring it, become a part of the family, be notified when I update and post new videos. Also don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video.